again. In regression chapter we have discussed how to calculate regression equations. In last video we have discussed if two equation is given, then how we can calculate arithmetic mean of x series and arithmetic mean of y series, and regression coefficient like bxy, byx and value of correlation. With the help of only two equation, how we can calculate all these items. In today's video also we will discuss about this. If one equation is given and something requirement is over there, how we can calculate these things. So I have written a questions on the blackboard, that questions having 50 students. The marks of the 50 student in statistics and economics, we suppose to statistics is x and economics is y. So the relationship between this is given 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. This is x on y equation is given 3x minus 5x, 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. Here the y bar is given, then we have to calculate the value of x bar, and next given standard deviation x square divided by standard deviation y square is given 9 upon 16. Then we have to calculate the value of r. So very first we know that total number is n is 50. Equation is given 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. We know that y is equal to 44. So putting the value of y, 44 minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. So minus 5x, that is 180. First we solve it. 44 multiply by 3, that is 132 plus 180 is equal to 5x. So adding 180 in this, 312 is equal to 5x. So the x bar is equal to 312 divided by 5. So the very first we have calculated 62.4, that is 62.4. So the value of x bar is 62.4. Already we have calculated first value, that is x bar. Now we are to calculate the value of r. For the value of r, we have to calculate first. This equation is given. By putting the value, we have calculated the value of x bar. Now this is x on y equation is given. Okay. So here we will say equation is given 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. So minus 5x is equal to minus 3y minus 180, or we can write 5x is equal to 3y plus 180. So x is equal to 3 upon 5y plus 180. It means bxy is equal to 3 upon 5. What we have done? We put the equation here, minus 5x, 3y coming here negative, 180 coming here negative. So negative is common, so negative to negative cancel. So 5x is equal to 3y plus 180. Then x is equal to 3 upon 5y plus 180. So the value of bxy is equal to 3 upon 5. As we know, r multiply by standard deviation x or standard deviation y, that is 3 upon 5. Standard deviation of x upon y is given. Standard deviation of x upon standard deviation y is equal to 3 upon 4. Because the standard deviation x square is equal to 9, standard deviation y square is equal to 16 given. So r multiply by 3 by 4, that is 3 by 5. So r is equal to 3 multiply by 4 multiply 3 multiply 5. So r value is 0.8. So in such condition, the question is given. In this question, we having equation, that is x on y is given. Total number is given 50. Y bar is given 44. So the very first we have to calculate the value of x bar. So by putting the value, we have calculated x bar value. Next, this is x on y. So putting this, we have calculated byx. So the value Byx is R standardization x upon standardization y is equal to 3 by 5 because this is B by x. By putting the value of standardization x upon standardization y, we have got the value of R. So if we go to step by step, anything is asked, no problem at all, we can solve. Okay. We are having another one question. Another one question related to the regression equation. That is also an important question. 2 times it was in examination. In this 7 value of x and y, x value given, y value given. X value is given 40, 34. Then 28, then 30, then 44, then 38 and 31. Y value is given 32, 39, 26, 30, 38, 34, 28. This is question given. X and y value is given, 7 value for x, 7 value for y is given. The question is that x judge given marks. This is a judge A judge. This is B judge. So I have adopted the x and y, so it will be 1. A judge had given 36 marks, so why B judge will give? First question is this. The 8th debater, these are the debaters, 7 debaters. A judge has given first 40 marks, 34 marks, 28 marks, 30 marks, 44 marks, 38 marks, 31 marks. B judge given 2, 7, 32 marks, 39, 26, 30 marks, 38 marks, 34 marks and 28 marks. The 8th debater, A judge have given 36 marks. What the B judge will give, because B judge was absent there in when the 8th debater was delivering the debate. So what may he may given examination give? This is the question. The question is this, that in a debate competition, 8 participants was participating and A and B was the judge. 7 participants A and B give the mark. 8 on the on when 8 participants were participating, A judge gave 36 marks, but B judge, due to some urgent work, he couldn't attend that. So imagine if he may be there, how much marks he may give to him. That is the question. So for getting, we will calculate x on x is available. So y on x we have to calculate. We have to calculate y on x for that question particularly. So for that, we suppose assume mean is 34, and in this suppose our assume mean of y is 32. Okay, so dy d square y, first we will calculate, and dx dy. Okay, so the very first we have assumed that our first assume mean is 34. So this will be plus 6, 0, minus 6, minus 4, plus 10, plus 4, minus 31. So minus 3. So the result is 6 to 6 cancel, 4 to 4 cancel. So the result will be plus 7. The first result will be plus 7. Okay. Now this is 36, 0, 36, 16, 0, 100, sorry, 16 and 9. So the addition of this 36 one time, 2 time, then 16 1 time and 2 time, 100 1 time, and 9 is 1 time. So 213. Okay, so this is 213. Sorry, this is 213. Okay, Now 32h we have taken, so this is 0, this is plus 7, minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 plus 2 minus 6. 6 to 6 cancel, 2 to 2 cancel, so plus 1 is over there. There may be plus 1, if the same is taken, no problem at all, plus 3 is over there. So they have taken as a 32, okay. 32 minus 32, this is plus 7, minus 6, minus 2, plus 6, plus 2, minus 6. 2 to 2 cancel, 6 to 6 cancel, okay. So 7 minus 6, that is plus 1. In books some difference is over there. Why the difference is over there? 32, 39, 26, 30, 38, 34, 28, okay. 0 plus 7 minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 plus 2 and last one is minus 4, that is the difference, okay. We have done here, okay. So that is plus 3. That's why I was checking, some mistake may be over there. So here 6 and 2, 8 and 8 cancel. 10 is minus, so minus 3 may be, not plus 3. So we will having the result is plus 3. 6 to 6 cancel, 2 to 2 cancel, 7 minus 4, that is plus 3, okay. Now square, that is 0, 49, 36, 4, 36, 4 and 16. So the addition of all these, this is 49 plus 36 plus 4 plus 36 plus 4 plus 16. So there will be 115. Okay, dx dy. Minus 6 multiplied by 0, that is 0. Okay, 0 multiply 7 is 0. 6 multiply this, minus 36. Okay, 4 multiply minus 2, that is plus 8. 10 multiply 6, that is 60. 4 multiply 2, that is plus 8. 3 multiply 4, that is 12. So first one 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 6 multiply 6, that is 36, okay. So it will be also plus, minus, minus, plus. So there will be 36 plus 8 plus 60 plus 8 plus 12. So that is 124. Firstly I check this, 124 and 213, okay. 2 sigma dy square. Dy square is, dx square is 213, okay. Dy square, value of dy square, don't calculate, okay, 124, okay, no problem at all. Now what we require in book, the total is not calculated, no problem, that not required, that's why they have not calculated. Firstly we will calculate value of x bar, our assume plus sigma dx divided by n. Assume is 34. So assume 34 plus 7 divided by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. So x bar will be 35. First answer we have calculated. Y bar, that is assume plus sigma dy upon n. So 32 plus 3 divided by 7. First one is 33 divided by 7 plus 32, that is 32.428. That is y bar is 32.428. So 43 we can write. Okay. Now we require b yx, because we want y on x, x is given. So byx, that is n multiply sigma dx dy minus sigma dx multiply sigma dy. divided by n multiply sigma d square x minus sigma dx raised to power 2. So byx value is 7 multiply 124 minus 7 multiply 3 divided by 7 multiply 213 minus 7 raised to power 2. So the value of byx, that is 7 multiply 124, is plus value, 21 is minus value. So 847 divided by 7 multiply 213 is plus value, 49 is minus value, 1442. So 847 divided 1442. So result is 0.587, 0.5874. So that is 0.5874. So we have calculated the value which require, we have calculated. Now y on x equation is y minus y bar, standard deviation of byx, x minus x bar. So y minus standard deviation of y 32.43, that is 0.5874, x minus x bar value is 35. So y minus 32.43, that is 0.5874 x minus multiply by 35, 20.56. So y is equal to 0.5874 x minus 20.56 plus 32.43 minus 32.43. So plus value will be 11.87. So y on x, y is equal to 0.5874 x plus 11.87. We have calculated y on x equation. So this is y on x equation which we have calculated. Okay. Now the problem, if value of x is 36, then what will be the value of y? We are to calculate. Okay. So putting this value, this doesn't require now. Okay. Y is equal to 0.5874 x plus 11.87. Okay, x is given 36, and it means first judge have given the marks 36. So what the second judge will give to him, we are to calculate only this. So the y is equal to 0.5874 multiplied by 36 plus 11.87. Just we have to calculate this. So 0.5874 multiplied by 36 plus 11.87. So it will be 33 marks. So the second judge will give 33 marks. So if some of the information is not available, with the help of the regression equation, we can calculate these type of the information also. So with this video we have come to know, if we have given the one regression equation, then with the help of that regression equation, we can forecast for the missing frequency also. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to calculate regression equation and what is the utility of the regression equation. Thank you.